bitches, thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title what we doing today. Today, we will be doing Bantu knots. And if you guys don't know what that is, I actually did a video on that already, but on my mannequin head, and I will put it right here. But before we get into it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. Okay. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and get it right into it. So the difference between the other video I did is I'm not using weave. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my little regular hair, okay? And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm actually gonna do triangle Bantu knots. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and speed this up and part it and come back and show you guys in the front how I part it. You know, part it and stuff.
Are you?
So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how I part it and how it's gonna actually go and how I do it on my regular hair, because in this video that I did already, I will put it here. On the mannequin head, I actually use weave, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it without weave. So just stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click the notification button because it's there for a reason. We just gonna go ahead and speed this up, okay, and come back, and I'm gonna show you guys what I just said I was gonna show y'all. Of course, I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging, so just stay tuned, okay? Look at me looking like a whole, the hair in the back still up, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna speed this up. Okay, so okay, so basically I sectioned it off in 4 pieces, and now I'm going to show you guys how I'm actually going to be parting it off. So I'm actually doing triangles. I parted this to make it easier to do the triangles in the front. So basically you parting your triangles like this to make it easier, and then you follow the line that you just parted. So basically all you gotta do is take the comb and go in like a slanted type thing. Make sure it's even. If it's not even, just keep going over it. See, I actually don't want them too big, but I don't want it too small either, if that makes sense. It's like a medium size. So after you got your triangle, you actually could add gel or whatever, but I'm actually just gonna go ahead and go in with my gel to clean up the part. I'm basically just putting in a rubber band so it can just foam and look nice and neat, and the parts don't mess up while I go through there. So basically, make sure your triangle is actually parted right before you put it in the ponytail. So after that, just go ahead and go through with your gel and clean up the part. And get your comb or brush, comb it on through. And if you want to, you can leave your edges out. I'm going to just go ahead and put this in a ponytail, and whatever left out, I'm going to be using for my edges. Boom. So after you got your triangle, you go ahead and go and do the rest of them. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and then I'm going to speed it up. Just follow that part. That's what I'm doing. You don't have to do it out. You can just part it any kind of way. Make sure it's nice and neat, and it'll still look cute, but I just want to follow the parts and stuff. After you follow that part, all you gotta do is come up from the bottom, and then boom. That's your triangle. Just clean it up and do the same method from earlier, which is adding a rubber band, but you don't have to add the rubber band. It's optional. Move all the hair out the way. And then finish cleaning up the ponytail that you for to make. Make sure the line is straight. And boom. After that, you can just put it right in the roots band. Add the gel, remember, add your gel or whatever you're using. Comb it out a little bit, brush it into it. Make sure the parts is right. And you hold it and add your rubber band. Ow. I guess you can say these are small. I don't know. I wanted to be not too small though, but it came out like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and come back and show you guys the next step. So stay tuned. Keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and comment as well, because if you learn something, like I always say in my other videos, if you learn something, let me know. And if you want to tell me something that I should know, let me know in the comments. Come on now. So we're going to speed this up, and that's just on period. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the Bantu knots once again. And if you didn't see the video on the mannequin head, it's going to be right here. Go ahead and check that out. But all you got to do is actually just twist it. And also, some of them small, some of them big. And then I added a braid here just for like a little design, because if I would have kept going down, it would have got smaller. And then you just twist it. And as you twist it, you try to twist this part as well. So once it wraps around, it'll be like a Bantu knot. This is so small. Make sure you hold it while you're twisting it. I'm going to do another one to show you guys much better, because this one is hella small. And when I do the back, I'm not sure if you guys are going to see it. Well, I'm not going to be able to see the back, so it might look a little, I don't know, like the part, it might not be as good as the front. But I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You twist it, and then you wrap it as you twist it. These gonna be hella small. Comment down below if I should do a video of me doing it with weave in my hair. These small. There you guys go. That's cute though. Small and cute, period. And the back might be bigger than these, because I can barely see the back. So I'm going to try my hardest to do the parting right so you guys can see. So yeah. I'm going to show you guys this one in the middle, and then I'm going to speed this up. I know I already said I'm going to show you guys one more time, but just in case. You twist it, then start wrapping it the way you want it to go. Wrap it the opposite way you twisting it. And you see it come loose, just go ahead and keep wrapping it. Hold it though. You hold it while you wrapping it. And hold the twisting part too, so you don't have to start all over and twisting. And then it's gonna be like that, and you add your rubber band. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up and show you guys me doing my edges and end out the video, so stay tuned for that. And fingers crossed, you guys, because these things are hella small, but it's probably gonna be cute. I don't know, I got a little big forehead, so we just gonna go ahead and speed this up and get it over with, okay? Wow. It's that melanin for me, period. Okay, you guys, so now I'm done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges. That's how it came out. The back probably messed up, but it's kind of cute. My head's still big, but yeah. So I'm gonna take my Got2b, even though I know I shouldn't be using it after it did this. It was like a little patch right here, but we ain't gonna speak on that. And I think that video, some of the clips got deleted, and I don't like that. Just be deleting stuff. Like, I done spent my little time trying to edit and stuff, then the freaking video got deleted. Like, to my iCloud. Like, who cares? Save it on there. Or whatever. To my, you need to download on iCloud. What iCloud gotta do with my little video? Comment down below if y'all had that problem though. When you download the little video on your phone and it always say iCloud something and then it'll delete it by itself. Like, who does that? Apple need to get it together, okay? Messing up my little videos. I had to post that video shorter, like, cause I don't even have no freaking clips left. That's crazy. I knew I should have just posted it that day, but I never post on like weekdays. I post on weekends, so like Saturday and Sunday. But I should have posted it. Kept saying the thing is full. Yeah, I don't really got no edges, cause yeah, you got taken out. This is the little Got2b thing I did. Shake it, yeah, shake it, yeah. I don't know what to do. I ain't got no edges for real. We're gonna pretend. I mean, that look kind of cute. I don't know, y'all. Comment down below how you think I did on this video. Now, I kept seeing this, and I was like, I'm just add my little twist, and I put like braid going down like this. But yeah, you know, You know the show Orange is the New Black? That lady had the same hairstyle. I'm gonna put it right here. And I think Rihanna had this. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, I wanted to do it, and now I just look like I got a big forehead. But it's cute. Put like some oil in my scalp and keep it moving. The little edges. I try, y'all. I need better edge control. I want to make my own edge control. I keep seeing people making their own edge control. Well, they don't actually make their own edge control. They just buy from other companies. But I want to actually make my own. And see how they come out. Like, just mix a bunch of products and get it together. Now, of course, I'm going to test it out before I tell y'all to buy it or whatever. But stay tuned to the future. Because, like, I am going to make my own edge control. Does that even make sense? Yes, boo it do. Like how I wanted my blender. And then, yeah, I didn't want to spend no money. So, yeah, somebody just ended up giving me one. I didn't even ask either, and they didn't know. So it was like, okay, God is on my side, period. Ready to buy it, said about it, got about it, and I got it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay, but thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And click the notification button because it's there for a reason. And also stay tuned because I will be including pictures at the end of this video. So, yeah. So, bye.